Ladies and gentlemen, then I don't go here from Money Biz. And today's video, I'm going to give you a quick review of a video I created. So I created the video some days ago. Okay, days ago. I talked about MTN giving out free gifts. And some of you took action while some people just take it as maybe I'm just trying to do something that is not actually making sense. But actually, in a real sense, it makes sense because I actually want something from MTN. MTN actually give me gift. I'm so happy because the gift may look small, but nevertheless, it is something tangible from MTN and Jumia. They actually gave me this gift. So I'm going to show you the gift in the next slide. Just watch it. You see the gift very, very soon. So this is instead of me showing you this video is for me to tell you that it's very important to take action. Especially if I create any video on how you can make money or any opportunity I bring to this platform, don't just overlook it. Do not say I'll do it tomorrow. It's important to take action almost immediately. Just take action because at the long run it will bring good things to you. And don't worry because I'm always giving you my word that if there's any video that I've created on this platform about making money and money is not being made, I will come back and say that this thing is not working. Share your gap so you have no fear whatsoever. So watch the next video and you see what is happening. Guys, so this is what Jumia and MTN gave me for Christmas. As you can see, I'm here with the box MTN season of surprise. So I created a video explaining how you can actually win something like this. Actually, I won. I won this box. So let's go inside and check what my Christmas gift is from Jumia and MTN. This will show you that everything I do on this channel, I actually created myself. So you show you guys, I test this out myself. Let me check. Let me just tear this. And let's check what did they actually give me inside. I hope it's something good though. So guys, unboxing my gift from Jumia. So, give me some seconds. So guys, so I just unboxed it now and this is what is inside this box. I hope you can see this clearly. So literally I have I have golden penny, what they call it? I have instant noodles and I have so many things, so many instant noodles. Wow, they gave me butter. MTN gave me butter. Thank you. Wow, they also gave me semo. Thank you, MTN. What again did I have here? I have Indomie. Okay. This is not Indomie. Sorry. This is spaghetti. I have spaghetti. I have Coca-Cola. So this is Coca-Cola here. What other things did they give me? Okay, I think it's 3 Coca-Cola. 3 Coca-Cola. I have some Indomie Maggi Jollof. Yeah. So beautiful things. So ladies and gentlemen, let me just show you that everything I teach you on this channel, I do try it out myself. And as you can see, this is live. This is live. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure that everything I show in this channel, you try it out because I myself try it out and I always come back to give you the report in the long run. So thank you so much. I love you.